gonna film her. Crunch, crunch. This is very strange. It starts out very hard, like the numerous plastic pieces I've eaten in the past. But then
it dissolves.
It becomes very, very soft. This is very, very peculiar.
These are perfect.
Very strange indeed.
It's turning to mush in that hand. You can have that one too. Oops.
It's sticky.
Can't decide which one to eat.